Hello, my name is Wouter, and in this video I'm going to give a trick to learn more than 1,000 words in a couple of minutes in 5 languages. And how I do this is I do a lot of research and I look to words with the same ending in English and also have the same ending in another language. I mean their own same ending or declension. So to demonstrate this, I'm giving 2 examples and I will show the declension in 4 other languages so I can illustrate what I'm exactly meaning. But I must say you have more than 1,000 words for each example, but I must say that in 50% of the examples you can use it, and sometimes it's ending different. So you need to do research by yourself as well, but I can also recommend to use the trial and error technique, and that's just using it, and then you will recognize by yourself which words are ending like this and which words not. So let's start with the first example. All the words were ending on chun in English, so organization, inspiration, interpretation, and a lot of other words. Yeah, in Dutch they will end this way: organisatie, inspiratie, interpretatie, always ending with t. And to make it more easier, the word which you put before is de, always, never het, always de. So this is the first example for Dutch. Now we go to French. It's l'organisation, inspiration, interpretation. Alright, Spanish. Organización, inspiración, interpretación. Also always the same ending. And in Brazilian Portuguese or Portuguese, organização, inspiração, interpretação. Also always this same ending. Yeah, so to make it easier for you, I post a link below the video in the subscription, and you can see all those words ending on chun in English, and then you can research by yourself yeah, which words you can use. But I can say like the most common words like inspiration, information, option, stuff like that, they always have the same ending in any other language which I called. And to make it more easy for you, all the words are feminine in Portuguese and Spanish, and in Dutch they will have the de before the word, as I already told you. Alright, now we go to the second example. Electricity, faculty, university. Alright, they're all ending on T. Below this video, the second link, there you will see more than 1,000 words ending with T. Alright, so in Dutch it will be elektriciteit, faculteit, universiteit, and there are more other examples. I'm sure about that. So check out the other words and you will see by yourself that many of those words in English ending on T will be ending on eit at the end. And to make it easier again, all those words are starting with the word de and not with het. Okay, now we go to French again. That will be électricité, faculté, and université. And all the other words, I mean almost all the other words will also end the same way. In Spanish it will be electricidad, facultad, universidad, always ending this way. And in Brazilian Portuguese or Portuguese it will be eletricidade, faculdade, and universidade. Alright, so these are some examples. This is just a short demonstration to show you how you can easily learn a lot of more words. And maybe you already knew it, but I think many people or many beginners are not using these words because they're maybe too afraid to use it, or they think, oh, it will be wrong. But you will see in many situations you can use any of these words to explain what you're meaning. So for example, if you don't have any power in a hotel, you can say in Portuguese, eu não tenho eletricidade, for example, you know. And I also think that your sentences will be more like, how do you say it, more beautiful or longer and less basic. And I think learning those words in an early stage will help you to to reach an intermediate level if you also understand the grammar and stuff. So yeah, this is my advice, and if you can use it, then I'm really happy. If you cannot use it, then no problem, of course. Anyone has his own strategy. So, alright. Cheers.